Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can grow, I think it's tea leaves in Heartopia. So if you go to the garden catalog here, today I will be unlocking this here. I think it's the T1. So next week, I think I might level up my gardening hobby as well to unlock the cocoa bean. So let's do that first. Let's go to hobby and let's unlock the gardening gardening hobby I meant, to level 11. Okay, 2 plants unlocked. Let's talk to Blanc here, gardening store, and I have unlocked oh, it's tea tree seed. I don't know what it's for yet though. It takes 45 minutes to grow. I'll just buy like a few at first, and I'm just going to plant it, and I'll be right back when it's done planting. So here I'm just going to plant the tea tree seed over here. We're just going to use a fertilizer to make it, a growth booster to make it grow faster, I guess. So let's use, 40 minutes. Okay, 3 hours. What about this one? Let me cancel this first. 1 hour. Let's use this one on like one of them. Maybe this one. Ooh. Okay, and this is what the tea leaf looks like. I'm not sure like what it could be used for. Let me see if I can use it for cooking. Maybe I have not unlocked the recipe for it. So let's actually see. Could it be like for the tea, but we already used the ingredient that we have? No. You know what? I'll check back in you guys in a minute and I'll kind of tell you like what it's for, I guess. Okay, so it's going to be used for cooking level 12. So it is crucial that you do the gardening first and then you will unlock the like tea recipes later on when you've reached level 12. I think I'm on level 11 of cooking, so maybe next week I will upgrade my cooking hobby instead so you guys can see. You do need to stock up on roses and daisies for the teas, so make sure you do that first. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!